He's right behind you. Come on.
Leave that here. Leave that here for a minute. Leave that here.
Come on, let's go outside and see it.
Okay, bring it. Come on.
Come on.
Ha ha.
Ready?
Wow.
What's this?
A Hummer.
Oh my goodness, whose is it?
It's a Hummer.
Whose Hummer is it?
It's my Hummer.
Is it a Grandpa's?
No, it's my Hummer. That's your big Christmas present. What do you say? Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see. Turn it. Turn it this way so you don't hit the... Okay, now.
Can I give it again?
Where you at?
You have to practice with it for a little bit.
Ah.
Come this way.
Is there a reverse and stuff on it?
You have to move the lever. Yes.